Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Now I'm gonna add some crochet here to my daughters here. So I'm gonna do a easy protective style for kids. I'm gonna cane row all of this backwards and then I'm gonna come right back. This is how I'm cane rowing the back, and then I'm gonna catch the top. When you reach like this, you want to hold that one. And when you cane row it sideways, then you want to just catch it right here. When you reach about here, you want to grab this one and you want to braid it in. And then you want to grab the next one. And now I have my 7 oil mixed together. I just put it in this bottle and I'm going to spray some on her scalp. And you want to rub that in. I have this crochet here. It's Jamaican water wave 22 inches. And I'm going to cut it in 2 and then I'm going to start. You want to grab it right here, push it through, and then you start it. And I twist it 2 times and give it a little tie. And there it is, guys. Now I'm gonna do the top. Now I'm just gonna catch the top in a little ponytail. I'm gonna use a little beeswax And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my got to be glue. And you want to take a rubber band, and I'm going to hold it in place. I'm going to make a little bit of baby here. I just add some mousse to it. And then I'm going to wrap it. Just like that. All I did, just add some crochet braids right around. Now it's almost done. I have these gold strings, and I'm going to use it to band the top. And you want to go right under and under so it holds you. You want to make a knot, and you want to use a pin, and then you want to pin it just like that. We are done. That's it. And guys, that's it right there. Turn around, Sunny. You like the curls? Is it pretty? Turn around. You're drinking pop?
I finished it all.
You finish it all? Oh. So that's it, my peeps. JoJo's bows. They're beautiful, and we're gonna put the pink.
I watched that.
We're gonna use the gold one, and we're gonna put it just sideways. Oh my. Wow. And guys, that's the final look. Sunny, beautiful unicorn bows. That's her JoJo's. And guys, that's it. Yes. Turn around, Sunny. And that's it right there, guys. Yes.
Bye.
Where are you going?
To Jamaica.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Turn around, Sunny. There it is.